Ever wonder how to give Japanese people good impression of you? I can surely help you with that. Stay tuned to find out how. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to the very first episode of Japanese Unlimited. This channel is designed for anyone who would like to learn Japanese and who are planning to visit or work in Japan. We will try our best to make speaking Japanese easy for you. In this video, we will learn a very basic but very important part of Japanese culture, aisatsu or greetings. Knowledge about aisatsu could increase your chances of getting very good impressions from Japanese locals. And that's what we all want, right? In order to belong and be accepted. So, let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。Japanese locals, especially the elderly, are very particular and very observant about manners. Even for foreigners, they find it amusing if they properly observe Japanese way of life. Every day, a variety of Japanese phrases are being used, and we will talk about them right now. Ohayou Gozaimasu. The literal meaning of this word is, it's early. However, in Japan, we use this as good morning. And to thank people for coming into work, the word gozaimasu is usually dropped when you're greeting a close friend. So we only say Ohayou when you're talking with friends. So let's practice. Ohayou Gozaimasu. Ohayou Gozaimasu. This time, I would like to know where are you from and how do you say good morning in your country. Please type your answer in the comment section so I could also get to know your language even for just a bit. Let's continue with our video. Konnichiwa. This word is used as greetings from late morning to late afternoon. It's a good word to make peace with anyone too, even if you don't know them. It will give them the impression that you mean no harm. Let's practice. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. This word means good evening. Basically, Japanese use konbanwa during the night time or when the sky turned black. Let's practice. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Ittekimasu. Itterasshai. Ittekimasu is used to inform everyone that you are going out for a while. When you are with others in a gathering, whether family or friends, Japanese think it is polite to inform others if you are going out for a while. You will know if they heard you saying the word when someone answers Itterasshai, which means come back safely. So let's practice. Ittekimasu. Itterasshai. Ittekimasu. Itterasshai. Ojamashimasu. Shitsureishimasu. Ojamashimasu and Shitsureishimasu are Japanese words used when entering someone's territory, like another person's house, office, or bedroom. The translations, sorry for invading your privacy, and I'm about to disturb you, are ways of explaining it. Proper timing is also important. You say any of these words before making a step going in the privacy. That means you have to say this before entering someone else's door. Let's practice. Ojamashimasu. ます。失礼します。お邪魔します。失礼します。いただきます。It is always polite for Japanese to say Itadakimasu before starting the meal. That means you're appreciating the efforts and thanking the one who prepared your food. Also, it's a signal that you're about to start eating. Japanese started learning about this at home and formally introduced in schools. Let's practice. いただきます。いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。After you had a great meal, or even if it's not that great, ごちそうさまでした is the word to say. That means you appreciate the food and thanking the person who prepared your food once again in their effort. This word is being taught together with Itadakimasu. Let's practice. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。ありがとうございます。The word ありがとうございます is one of the most popular Japanese words because of its frequent use. Thank you is widely and often said to show appreciation and gratefulness. For friends, we usually drop the word ございます and just say ありがとう. Let's practice. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Here's a summary of what we have talked about today. I hope you had fun learning basic Japanese挨拶 with me. Thank you for watching our very first episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video.